Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lailatul Alifah. We're from a group of 5 who are members, namely Aisyah Safiyah, Muflihah Maimunah, Yunita Lutfiana, Khairul Rizpaningsih, Aska Salsabila, and Vicky J. Mahindra. We will present the result of our discussion about strategies, technique, icebreakers, and mathematical learning methods. First point is design of mathematics learning strategies by applying HOTS. Students are presented with a video and asked to observe the picture through PowerPoint and learning video about volume, solid figure, a cube, and block space that is displayed. It is critical thinking and problem solving (TPACK). Students then write question and discuss with other friends. It is critical thinking and creative. The teacher conducts question and answer with students about the result of the discussion. This is communication. The teacher performs a packing strategy. Packing strategy can be used to improve students' understanding as well as their ability to find volume formulas for cubes and blocks.
In its application, it can be done by number 1, the teacher group the student into 3 groups. Number 2, each group is given one large block sheet cardboard, one large cup sheet block, and 21 unit cubes. The unit cube is a very helpful medium in learning the volume of geometric shapes. Number 3, with guidance and examples from the teacher, students are asked to pack the unit cubes in large cubes as well as large blocks.
4. After that, students are asked to make conclusion about how many unit cups can be wrapped by wood, large cups, and large block. By practicing this, students are able to understand that the volume of cups or cupboards is the number of objects that fill the space of the two shapes. 5. The next step is to find the formula for the volume of cups and block by observing the number of unit cups for each side of the cups and the length, weight, and height set of the cups. After students are finished, students are present with ice breaking, namely the snake and ladder game, how to play it.
Both players are on the board with the star inscribed. Its pitch is marked with a question category. The categories are 1. Number of sides, number of wrap, volume formula, characteristic of building space, or X element of building space. Last, example of objects. Both players make with or toss coin or metal to determine which player has the right to start the game.
The player rolls the dice. Player must move according to the number of dice obtained. If the player gets a 6 dice, then the roll of the dice must be repeated until a dice other than 6. Player must answer each question in the occupied question box. If the player is correct, they remain in the question box. If it is wrong, then the player must move the pawn to the previous pawn position. When the player is at the base of the ladder, if the player is correct, then the player has the right to go up the ladder to the next question box. When the player finds the snake tile, the player must lower his pawn to the box where the snake's head is without having to answer any question. The fastest player to the finish box is the winner. Learning activities can be edited by conflicting conclusions as learning this material and giving homework.
Hot question about building space. Problem involves students to solve a problem not directly using formula of carrying out procedures. For example, Nawaz has a large basket in the space of cups with a side length of 15 centimeter. The basket will be filled with chocolate cups with a side length of 5 centimeter, as many as 24 pieces. Will the basket fit more than 24 chocolates?
To answer this question, students find the value of the volume of a cube-shaped basket. Volume S times S is 50 centimeter times 50 centimeter is 3,375 centimeter. Volume of a cube-shaped chocolate is S times S is 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter is 125 centimeter. There are 40 chocolates, so the total is 24 times 125 is 3,000, so the basket still fit more than 24 chocolate.